sabían. 5 estrellas mi bandera, cabrón. Jet set, matando la liga aquí. Dime dónde tú puedes estar. What up? So today's episode, we're gonna go. Now we're gonna go right now. I'm picking up my boy right now, Kyle. We're gonna bring the 240 to Bills. So I'm waiting for him, so that way we get ready, go have some breakfast, pick up the car, and go drop it at RCT to Bills so he can do the custom pipes. So right now I'm waiting for Kyle to come out. It's taking forever, like a little bit. But yeah, you know, so I'll keep you guys updated. That little bitch right there. Hey, like the Miata, babe.
Not my kind of car. I know I never like this.
Boy right here, man.
Yo, man, come on, man.
Brother right here, man.
You showing off for this shit.
Posting this shit up.
I know you are.
Love you, man.
Love you too.
I haven't seen you in a minute.
No, it's been forever.
Damn. Right, we out. So here you have it, guys. We're taking the 240 to Bills, our RCT performance. So right now we're gonna take the fenders off. So because we're gonna drive it exposed and I'm still working on it. Take the fenders off, take the other fender off, and bring it to Bills, you know. And yeah. So we took the fenders off. My boy Kyle is gonna drive the Miata, follow me to RCT. And yeah, we're gonna bring this thing to Bills. And he's gonna be there for like 2 to 3 days, getting work done on the pipes, on the intercooler pipes. And yeah, let's go. So right now we're getting gas for the Miata. So right now we're heading to Bills, our RCT performance. We're on our way and I'm fucking excited because we're getting the pipe done, and that's gonna solve my boost leak. And yeah, the car is gonna be performing different, you know, because I'm fixing the gap of the intercooler. Basically, I had that crack after I tuned it, so when I do the custom pipes, I should be good with the tune and everything, and I don't have to retune my car. Yeah, so that's gonna be fun. And I got my friend Kyle in the back driving the Miata. So yeah, he's driving behind me so he can pick me up. He's driving wifey's car, but yeah, things are coming out looking good. So we made it to Bills, our RCT performance. Bringing the car in, they're gonna do the custom pipes and everything. I'm gonna keep everybody updated with how it's gonna look and everything. Yeah, this is the beast. We made it safe and sound. The Craftsman right here, Bills.
That was you pulling up?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Hold on,
What do you think, bro? He's fucking excited. I got two of my cars are working on it. Bills is working on the blue 240. Buscado por todos los lados. Contigo yo me quiero escapar. ¿Por qué me tienes en la frisa? Esperándote caerle pa' acá. Que yo quiero estar a tu lado. Solo escucha. Yeah. Porque el tiempo pasa, mira, bella, que me tiene esperándote. Mira, yo te quiero tener acá. Mira, la verdad me tienes en pausa, en la frisa, solitario. Mira, la verdad, esto no me está cayendo bien. La verdad, yo quiero estar a tu lado. Si el tiempo solo pasa, mira, contigo yo quiero matar todo minuto, todo segundo. Y cuando estás a mi lado, mira las envidias. Roger's working on the other 240. Se pone loca. Se pone loca. My boy Roger right there working on it. Working on the beast. Cuando estás a mi lado, bellaca, solo escucha. Contigo quiero estar. No le fuiste a matar. Contigo yo quiero estallar. Contigo yo quiero estallar. Contigo quiero estar. No le fuiste a matar.
estallar.
So yeah, so I'm here at RCT today, and they're working on both of my cars. They're working on the two 240s. They're trying to start my red 240 so that way I can get back on the track and start sliding with my boy SNAXX.
Quiero matar contigo, mira bellaca, no te miento. Yeah. Cuando tú estás a mi lado, mira la envidia se pone loca. Yeah. Todos miran pa' nosotros porque estamos en moda. Mira, el tiempo pasa, pero yo quiero que tú seas la moda mía. Estar a tu lado, tú estar a mi lado. Tú sabes cómo le metemos y no paramos.
But those are gonna be different details of videos that I'm gonna explore with you guys later. But yeah, they're working on my other 240, the blue one, and they're doing the custom pipes. Bills is doing that. He's the craftsman, and that shit's coming lit. That shit's coming nice. So I'm really happy. I'm really excited. Can't wait to be done. Pick up the car, get it back home, and start working on the wide body kit. And you know, it will be like an adventure. This is my journey, you know, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
No paramos, no paramos, no paramos. Contigo quiero estar, por la frisa matar. Contigo yo quiero estallar, contigo yo quiero estallar.